In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload database in Infinityfree. To get started, head over to the Infinityfree hosting accounts page and sign into your client area. This is where you manage your hosting account and access the tools needed to set up your database. If you have more than one hosting account, make sure you choose the correct one so your database is created for the right domain or website. Once you're inside the client area, find your hosting account in the accounts list. Click Manage and then open the control panel. This control panel is where Infinityfree gives you access to your hosting features, including file management, domains, and of course database tools. If it takes a moment to load, that's normal, so just wait for the panel to fully open before moving on. After that, scroll down until you see the databases section. In that section, click MySQL databases. This is the area where you can create and manage the databases connected to your hosting account. If you're planning to install a website, an app, or a content management system, this is usually one of the most important sections you'll use. Now look for the new database field. In that box, enter the name you want for your database. Be sure to use only letters and numbers, since that's the required format. It's a good idea to choose a simple, recognizable name, so it's easier to identify later, especially if you end up creating more than one database. Once you've entered the name, click Create Database. After the database is created, Infinityfree will automatically generate the key connection details for you. These include the database name, the database user, and the host name. These details are essential because they're what your website or application will use to connect to the database properly. Make sure you save those connection details somewhere secure for later use. You'll also need your account password when connecting your website to the database, so keep that available as well. Just be careful not to share any of that information publicly since it's sensitive and should stay private. And that's it. Once you've created the database and saved the connection details, you're ready for the next part of setting up your site on Infinityfree. If you follow these steps carefully, the process is quick and straightforward, even if you're doing it for the first time.